Hey guys, PR's at home. Today, we're gonna start off things a little bit slower and just focus on quality, okay? So we've got 3 to 4 rounds. We're gonna begin with a Jefferson curl. Now, using some kind of weight, if we don't have a dumbbell available, or grab like a gallon of water or something like that. The only time you're gonna need, so if you notice, I'm standing up on a bumper plate. The only time that you're gonna need a bumper plate is if your flexibility is gonna allow you to go further than the ground. So starting at the top, we're gonna go for 6 Jefferson curls. Begin with the chin tucking into the chest, rolling the shoulders forward to the upper back, down 1 vertebrae at a time. We're gonna take this as low as we can go, keep the legs straight, and then we're gonna pull ourselves back up, working 1 vertebrae at a time until we reach the top. So we're gonna go 6 of those. Focus on moving slow and controlled. Once we finish that, we're gonna go into 10 tabletop lifts. Now, for the tabletop lift, we're gonna start off by rotating the palms so your fingers are pointed behind you, and think shoulders are retracted back. Feet are about hip width apart. We're gonna squeeze the butt, lift our hips, and then back down. Notice as I lift my hips, my eyes go up too. So the key is to try to stay neutral through the cervical spine all the way through the rest of the back and the hips. But make sure at the top that we're squeezing our butt and pushing through the heels. Once we finish 10 of those, then we're gonna go into 3 to 4 windmills. Now, we've got a couple different variations. There's a link listed below here for a deeper detail, but let's think about the windmills by going from an overhead position, unlock the hips, hinge down, come on up. We're gonna go 3 to 4 on each side. We don't have the overhead range of motion, or we're using a sandbag. Let's keep that free arm, but use the weight down below. Same concept, moving from the hip. So check the video for more detail on the windmill. All right guys, now we're gonna move on into our AMRAP. We got a 10-minute AMRAP, starting off with a 12 rep alternating power clean, either using a dumbbell or a sandbag. If we're using our dumbbell, we're gonna alternate the shoulder. So from the ground, bringing it up to the shoulder. Bring it back down, we can switch at the bottom, or if we're feeling coordinated, switch it at the top, but both heads of the dumbbell must touch the ground. If we're working with a sandbag, we're also alternating side to side. I like to go from the middle, where we're gonna catch it and receive it onto the right. Both parts, the whole sandbag goes to the ground, and then switch sides. Then we're gonna go into a sandbag or a dumbbell facing burp, over. So we're gonna go down to a burp, start basically stopping at the top of our push-up, hop back over, jump up and over. Down and up. As we go down to that burp, just make sure that we're not letting those hips sink. We wanna stop in a nice, organized, hollow position. So we've got 10 reps, finishing it off the round with 8 hand release push-ups. Now, when I say hand release, just think, we're not just lifting our hands. Let's think about retracting and using our back. Push up, push up. So 10 minutes, as many rounds as possible. Have fun.